Hello and welcome guys, this is Tuhin. Today I'm here to talk about and give you the top 5 tips to improve your study process, that how you can improve your awareness toward your study and how you can hold whatever you learn. So the first and the foremost thing that you must do, that what I have also do while I was preparing for the examination, is that try to keep the phone vacant and free from unnecessary apps. Do not use any unnecessary app in your phone which distract you always. Second, those who cannot focus for the longer time can increase the concentration power. Now, how can you increase the concentration power? And that can be done by following a proper morning routine. You must come up with a morning routine, that what you should do at the time when you wake up early in the morning. So have some good habit while you wake up early in the morning. This will help you to increase your memory power, whatever you learn. Let me share you my experience, that what I have did while I was preparing for the examination, and the habit what I adopted at that time, I'm continuing with that habit till now, is that when I wake up early in the morning, first thing that I do is that I read some books, some good motivational and thoughtful books that I always read. So you can also have some proper morning routine that will help you to grow and hold your thoughts that you have. The third thing, use the scanner for sure, and mark the scanner's question which you found related to the topic of the book in the mat. So use the scanner in a proper way. This will really helpful for me also when I was in the examination period. This will also useful, very much useful for me as well. So use the scanner. Fourth thing is time management. If you want to make sure to complete your study, you should fix the chapter and the pages you complete in a particular day. You should know that in which para you should read at which day. This must also be in your time schedule. Prepare your time schedule in such a strict way that you must not lose any chapter which is important. So time management is one of the major and the most important thing that you must do. The fifth advice that I want to give you is that formulas, short notes, sections should be written in the top of the page. It must be visible every time you turn around the page. बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें होती है जो हम लोग भूलने लगते हैं, तो अगर वो बार बार दिखता रहे तो वो anyway हमें याद हो जाता है. तो make sure that it will visible to you those sections you are always forgetting, those formulas you are always forgetting. Make sure that it visible to you every time you turn around the page. So these are the 5 major points which I want to discuss that improve your study process. And if you want to have any discussion on any of the topic in a brief or in a detail, you can contact me over my Facebook page. Just ping me and we'll connect with each other and have a discussion on any of the topic that you want. Do the hard work, hold your patience, and hold your hope that you will going to win, and everything will going to find very soon, and you will get a good opportunity in future. So go ahead, study hard, stay safe. Till then, goodbye, and we'll meet you over the next video. Ta-da.